These are the beginning of birth pains.
Unbelievable. A rare blizzard hits the holy city of Jerusalem, Israel.
هذه ثلوج مدينة القدس شارع رقم 1 الشيخ جراح.
On Thursday, January 27th, due to Storm Elpis, an incredible 15 to 25 centimeters snowstorm raged in and around Jerusalem. Schools and roads in the city were closed.
סופת שלגים עד ג'לשם.
Jaffa Gate, and if you can look around me, you can see that there is quite a lot of snowfall, and we were told that there will be around about 8 inches or 20 centimeters of snow this evening. At the moment, it is just starting to settle. It's taken a while, but on the ground, there is a little bit of snow clumps that are forming together, but it's not yet the winter wonderland that we were promised. At the moment, it's kind of just a wintry sludge, if you will. But throughout the night, it will get much more intense. However, if the children of Jerusalem were planning on sledding tomorrow,
There you go.
That's it. Now he's fully dressed.
אבל אין לך קוצ'מה, מה עם הקוצ'מה?
quando c'è la ghiaccia.
Coming in 2022. Extreme weather events are becoming more and more severe all over the world. Now is the time to be vigilant and watch.